Hello, Paul here from EMD. Got a Porsche Cayenne Generation 1 Turbo. This is the one with the airbag. So after we done the airbag, we found it actual in a workshop. There's coolant coming straight out at the bottom. So we stripped everything down, and what we found is someone done the repairs before. But what they've done is they actually didn't put the bottom pipe on. If you look at the bottom pipe there, this one here, the seal, there's a seal on that one there. This one here, there's a seal on that one there. There's two seals on that one there, and that was leaking. Alright, so we stripped everything down, put new gaskets, and two of these bolts here weren't even that tight. These two there, that one there and that one there, it wasn't tight because the actual thread was damaged. So we had to get the thread repair guy to come in and repair that. At the same time, we're going to replace that turbo hose vent line there. It's already broken, see there? Running really, this car never boosted properly. It's always leaking air. That's your vent line for your turbo. It's leaking in, just leaking straight. So there's not enough boost if something's leaking like that. That's one hose. Another hose that goes here as well. So that's the one. This is the brand new one. The brand new one, we're gonna fit that one in first and then build everything back up. Alright, but we need to slowly take that one out because those hoses are very brittle, so you gotta be careful, otherwise you'll end up breaking the rubber. So we're nearly there here. So everything is pretty much done down here. Pretty involved job, this one here, but I'll show you the other one I have. So this is what I mean. Where's the other parts? I'll show you this hose here. So we're going to replace this brake booster vent line hose. See, it's already broken there. Someone broke that, so we got a new one of that as well. We're going to repair this rubber here. This one's supposed to go like that. So you see the rubber vacuum lines all ripped off. So there's another rubber there that goes to the actual, this one here. So we're going to repair some of those rubbers for the actual vacuum lines, and whatever we can see along the way, we're going to fix it, because otherwise once you put everything back together, it's painful to take it off again just to fix the little thing. Alright, so yeah, that's where we are right now. So we're going to fix all that, and once we finish, we're going to assemble it and then go back and then we'll double check it. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.